Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Cooking for Blokes Who Can't. Today I'm going to be making one of the simplest recipes. Boiling water would probably be the simplest recipe I know, but I'm not going to insult your intelligence by doing that for you. Today we're making pork Thai burgers. They don't have to be pork. Today I'm using lean pork mince. You can substitute that for beef mince, chicken mince, turkey mince, lamb mince. Again, vegetarians and vegans, there's not a great deal going on for you guys unless you want to substitute that for soy. Anyway, pork mince, 500 grams. White sugar, please use white sugar. Third of a cup. Soy sauce, 1/3 of a cup. Garlic and coriander. Now, as I said guys before, don't get caught up on using fresh. This is just as good. These are the ones that I use for when I'm doing just a quick cook. I don't use fresh. Yeah, so 1/3 of a tube of each. So equal amount of garlic to coriander and black pepper. You don't have to worry about salt. Soy sauce does that all for us. The only cooking utensils we need today are these. So just bung it all in the bowl. Can't get any easier. You buy it, you open it, you bung it in the bowl, you mix it, you cook it, you eat it. It's as simple as that. So get your hands in. Get involved. Make sure that everything's nicely blended. Get the flavours infused. So we're going to grab a pan. In this case I'm using my mid-sized frying pan. For the benefit of this cook, I'm just going to show you how to cook one. I'm not going to cook them all. Grab mince out, probably about the size of your palm when it's flattened out. Shape it into what looks like a patty, like so. Now I've put a little bit of olive oil into the pan because we're cooking on medium heat, we're not cooking on a high heat. I'm just going to pop that in there. I'm going to let that cook. Hey guys, okay, so we've finished the cook. Now my palm's bigger than some of yours. I only got 5 hamburgers out of the 500 grams. Some of you may get more. Hopefully you females will get more, you'll have smaller hands. But bang for buck, this is probably one of the easiest dishes to do, also one of the tastiest. Under 20 bucks you can feed your family. So this is the finished product, Thai burger. Now I'm not going to teach you how to make your own burger. I obviously don't put the same stuff on as you do. Bit of green stuff, maybe some cheese. Look, cheese doesn't go well with Thai, no. Scrub the cheese. You don't even have to have the roll, you can have it on a piece of Turkish bread, you can have it on between 2 lettuce leaves, doesn't matter. Just have a go. Cookingforblokeswhocan't.com.au. Thank you.